this is RB the Garden Nanny. I just received my package today in the mail. This is from fastgrowingtrees.com. I was interested in growing a fig tree for my husband. He loves figs. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, that is a nice looking specimen. So I am going to plant this up today and put it on drip. And yeah, I'm excited about this. He's excited as well. So let me get started. So this is a Chicago hardy fig. Isn't it beautiful? Anyway, I am going to not plant it right now. I decided I should read the directions that came with it instead of just doing my own thing. And the directions states that I am to pick a location with the right amount of sunlight away from any vents and heaters. This is because this is not going to be, I'm not going to put this in the ground because it would not survive our winters. So I'm going to put it in a pot. It says keep your plant in its own pot for a few weeks to let it acclimate to its new environment. When the soil is dry, about 2 inches down, water your plant and make sure its pot can drain excessive water. When you are ready to repot, choose a pot that is bigger than the current container. So I am going to put it in this black container, and I think that would be a great next step from this container to this. So I think that would be great because I was thinking about putting it in this huge pot, and that probably would not have fared very well. So I'm going to gradually increase the pot. My new Chicago fig is looking good. Looks like it's got a little webbing right here. I don't know what that's from, but I'm going to take that off if I can without harming the plant. Yeah, I am so encouraged by this plant. A friend of mine has one, and hers is so tall now. She had to put it in a bigger pot. I just got mine this year, and so I'm just letting it sit in here for a while, and then next year I'm going to put it in the garage over the winter. But yeah, it is a Chicago hardy fig, which I purchased from fastgrowingtrees.com, and I'm excited. Very excited to one day be able to pick figs off of that. And this is a Candy Tuft Snowsation. I love Candy Tuft in the spring. Oh my gosh, it is such a beautiful sight to see. When you just come out of winter and all these beautiful white flowers are all over the top of this. It is so beautiful. I wish I had got more, but this was the only one that they had left that was on sale. Kind of missed it, so at least I got one. I do have some others in my yard, so I'll just place this with the rest.